Throughout history, humanity has created marvels that continue to puzzle us today. How did ancient civilizations construct such incredible monuments with seemingly limited technology? From the towering Pyramids of Giza to the precise alignments of Stonehenge, these mysteries have endured through time, until modern science began to unravel their secrets. The Great Pyramids of Giza. Our journey begins with one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramids of Giza, built over 4,500 years ago. These pyramids were constructed with such precision that even today, experts are still uncertain how the ancient Egyptians achieved such accuracy. One of the greatest mysteries lies in how they transported the massive limestone blocks, some weighing over 80 tons, across the desert. Cut to modern science explanation. Recent studies provide some clues. Researchers at the University of Amsterdam propose that the Egyptians used water to reduce friction as they dragged the stones across the sand. By wetting the sand, they created a smoother surface, significantly reducing the amount of force needed. Advanced technology, like particle analysis, has also revealed that the Egyptians may have used natural gypsum mortar, making the pyramids more stable over time. Stonehenge. Moving north, we find ourselves at Stonehenge in England, a monument built with stones weighing up to 30 tons each. Stonehenge's massive stones were transported from quarries over 140 miles away, which begs the question, how did prehistoric people move these enormous stones without advanced machinery? Cut to modern science explanation. In 2019, geologists analyzed rock samples and used chemical fingerprinting to identify the exact origin of these stones. They discovered that the builders likely used waterways for easier transportation, floating the stones closer to the site. Additionally, recent experiments suggest they may have used rolling logs or a system of wooden tracks, aligning with findings from archaeology studies conducted by the University of College London. The Antikythera Mechanism. Our next mystery lies beneath the sea, the Antikythera Mechanism. Found off the coast of Greece in a shipwreck, this artifact is often called the world's first computer. Estimated to be around 2,000 years old, the Antikythera Mechanism was used to predict astronomical events, but its complexity left scientists puzzled for decades. Cut to modern science explanation. Thanks to X-ray and 3D imaging, scientists have unraveled some of its functions. They found that the mechanism was capable of calculating the positions of the sun, moon, and even predicting solar eclipses with impressive accuracy. This discovery highlights the sophistication of Greek science, showcasing that they were far more advanced in their astronomical knowledge than previously believed. Scientists at Cardiff University continue to study it, uncovering new details about its design and purpose. Nazca Lines. High in the desert plains of Peru lie the Nazca Lines, geometric shapes, animals, and figures etched into the ground. Created by the Nazca culture around 2,000 years ago, these lines are so vast they can only be fully appreciated from the sky. This has led to speculation about their purpose and whether they were messages to the gods or ancient star maps. Cut to modern science explanation. Modern research, including satellite imagery and soil analysis, indicates that these lines may have been part of religious practices. Experts from Yamagata University in Japan have found that certain lines align with underground water sources, suggesting they might have had a ceremonial role in water-based rituals, an essential resource in the arid desert environment. The Nazca people likely used simple tools to scrape away dark gravel, exposing the lighter soil beneath, creating these massive designs that have endured through time. The Baghdad Battery. Our final mystery takes us to ancient Mesopotamia. Known as the Baghdad Battery, this artifact resembles a clay jar with an iron rod and a copper cylinder inside. discovered in the 1930s, some speculated could have been a primitive battery capable of producing electricity. Cut to modern science explanation. Scientists have conducted experiments with replicas, filling them with acidic substances like vinegar or lemon juice. Surprisingly, these jars do generate a small electric charge, supporting the idea that ancient people may have used it for electroplating small objects. However, some archaeologists debate this theory, suggesting that it may have had a symbolic or religious use rather than a practical one. Regardless, it reveals the inventive spirit of ancient civilizations and their desire to experiment with technology in ways we are only now beginning to understand. These ancient marvels, built by hands that held no modern tools, continue to amaze us today. Through the lens of science, we begin to unravel the secrets of the past, but many mysteries remain. Each new discovery reminds us that human curiosity and ingenuity are timeless. Who knows what other secrets ancient civilizations left for us to find? Thank you for joining us on this journey through ancient mysteries. If you're fascinated by history and science, don't forget to subscribe to Historatech and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the wonders of the past.